हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी हडल। आज बॉयज और मैं जो हैं वो डिस्कस करने लगे हैं टॉप 10 फॉरवर्ड्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम ऑफ ऑल लीग्स। हाँ अच्छा, सो बेसिकली ये जो टॉप 10 फॉरवर्ड्स हैं वो इस तरह सेलेक्ट हुए हैं कि ये हम जो 6 पैनल है और 4 हमारे और बॉयज़ हैं जो नहीं आते, आ भी नहीं सकते। तो खैर वो उन्होंने अपनी सारी रेटिंग्स भेजी हैं। जो नंबर 1 पे उन्होंने भेजा है वो उसको 20 पॉइंट्स लॉट किए हैं, नंबर 2 पे 18, फिर 16, 14 इस तरह करके, और फिर एंड में एक्यूमुलेट किया है, जो टॉप पे आया वो टॉप पे आया और उस तरह रैंकिंग हुई है। तो पैनल को इंट्रोड्यूस कराने से पहले मैं बता दूं कि डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो और नोटिफिकेशन बेल पे भी क्लिक कर दें। अभी चलते हैं हम।
इधर आती है बेल आइकॉन,
वो मैं कहीं भी डाल दूंगा जहाँ भी पता
यू मिस्ड लास्ट टाइम।
हाँ लास्ट टाइम मैंने कहा इतनी मेहनत मैंने और इतनी मेहनत कौन करे। खैर एनीवेज, मुश्तबा खान मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड फैन, वलीद मसूद खान लिवरपूल फैन,
ये मैड्रिड की शर्ट क्यों पहनी हुई है?
ये चेल्सी को हराना है।
ज़करिया आगा लिवरपूल फैन, तारिक अब्दुर्रहमान एसी मिलान फैन,
One and only.
That's right. That's right.
The only fan.
Real famous club, the only fan जो रह गया।
और अबू बकर आगा चेल्सी फैन।
शादी से आए।
हाँ, इस दफ़ा मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस ना कराना, सबको पता है मैं कौन हूँ। तो सबसे पहले
Everybody knows who
मेरा
I am.
चैनल है टेडी।
सो सबसे पहले नंबर 10 की तरफ चलते हैं। इट्स डेविड विया।
Oh, fair.
Fair.
I think Via was 10 for me, so that's pretty good.
You had him at 10th, Tariq had him at 8th, उसके अलावा Behram had him at 5th और Sherry had him at 2nd.
What? That's high.
What about me?
You didn't have him.
I didn't.
Best striker.
Why would you not have David Villa?
I think I had him at honorable mention.
Honorable mention में होगा, मैंने वो डाली नहीं, मैं क्यों
Honorable
डालूं?
mentions तो
Crap
भी नहीं.
about your honorable mentions,
Yeah,
man.
shut up.
तुम्हारी अभी आगे बात करेंगे।
Why would you not put David Villa in your list?
I don't think he deserves it.
Okay, I didn't have him in my team as well.
Yeah, I don't think. I don't
Because
think
I
his prime
feel
was
there are
enough.
10 better strikers than him.
Yeah,
Then
and I don't
Villa?
think his prime
Then
was
Villa?
enough. Yeah, yeah, for sure.
What has he done wrong aside from
ये Prem babies है ना.
winning the Euro, the World Cup?
Euro, World Cup,
Yeah.
La Liga,
Yeah.
Champions League.
League
Just won
treble.
everything under the sun.
Yeah.
And was the leading striker
यार
in most of those
तुम
things.
प्रेम बेबीज की बात ना करो।
Yeah.
तुमने कार्लोस टेवेस डाला था।
Oh my God.
That's a prem baby right there.
Yeah, but it's not about being a Prem baby. It's about
And
best
honestly,
striker
I
we've
feel
seen
like
on Raw.
he didn't score enough goals for me. Like Villa
For
was,
you? When did he play
Yeah,
for you?
He scored one against you.
Yeah.
At Kerala.
Yeah, I
Champions League
remember.
final.
We remember. But yeah, I think.
No, he's a good player. We can hear कि
Yeah,
top 10
not
मेरे
top
list में
10,
नहीं था top 10 में.
Yeah.
You physically cannot do any more than what he did. He
Oh,
physically,
what?
he's
Not
like,
about that. No, they're just 10 players that I feel
Yeah,
are good.
and there are better players than him.
They're actually not better players than him.
He didn't score enough goals. He didn't win enough trophies.
he didn't win enough trophies.
Yeah.
Who David Villa didn't win enough trophies.
He
Not
did, man.
What trophy did he
Not
not
enough.
win?
He
What
won
else
the
did he
World
won?
Cup, he won the
No, but it's not
Euros, he won the Champions League, he won the
La
La
Liga.
Liga, everything's...
Yeah,
एक तो-
but
That's
how many
all
did
of the
he win?
trophies.
एक तो ऐसे हो
How
ना
many
कि
did he
ट्रॉफी
win?
जीत
He won like 2-3 La Liga. 2-3 La Ligas जीता है.
2-3 La
World
Liga.
Cup जीता है,
La Liga,
यूरो
La
जीता
Liga.
है, मेन स्ट्राइकर तो क्या मतलब?
तो और भी players हैं ना जो कि ज़्यादा
जो कि नहीं
जीते हैं.
जीते.
जो कि ज़्यादा
जो
जीते
कि
हैं. Henry
clearly-
को ले लो.
जो कि
Henry
clearly-
won more.
Never won the Champions League.
जो कि
No, he did with
he did,
Barcelona.
he did.
He won with Barcelona.
तुम हम जरा पॉइंट मार रहे थे.
ये only disrespect इस channel में बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा.
मेरे list में
One at a time. One at a time.
Listen to me. When you come at the king, you best not miss. And you missed. You missed. Time out.
Only slander
Yeah, thank you for referring me as the king.
He went on rage, jackass.
It's Henri.
ये क्या बंदा है यार?
Wow.
ये क्या बंदा है यार? मैं अब नंबर 9 पे जा रहा हूँ. Bakar will be happy with this. Although,
No, don't say.
नहीं, he had him in his team. Drogba.
Oh, 110%.
That's fine.
Nah.
Didier Drogba has
Nah,
to be in the top
definitely
10
not.
strikers.
He had him at 7th, Waleed. You had him at 6th. उसके अलावा Behram had him at 10th. Mani had him at 7th. Essen had him at 4th. And Sherry had him at 10th.
Look, Drogba is an amazing striker, but he's definitely not top 10.
Definitely not top.
Definitely, no, I
not
didn't
top.
have him. And I'll tell you why. I love Drogba, he's a great striker and everything.
What
but
is he missing?
Goal scoring.
Nothing.
record.
There's just 10 amazing strikers and goal scoring.
Goal scoring, big
He
match
was-
player. I'll give him that.
He's just
Yeah,
not
yeah.
that prolific.
Exactly. That's the word. He wasn't prolific.
He didn't need
Yeah,
to
he
be
wasn't.
prolific. It
And,
depends what
he
you're
didn't
asking
do
someone
well
to
What
do.
else does a striker have to do
Didn't win enough.
to be one of the
He
best
wasn't just a
prolific?
striker. That's the thing. He was for 90 minutes. He caused defenders. He was a problem for defenders.
Right,
for
but
90
he-
minutes.
Yeah,
He
but
should more
you can be a
stand
problem
for
for.
striker.
No, but
If I had
that's
to
the
pick
thing,
an
that
African
was-
striker, I'd pick Eto over him.
I think
But
anyone
that's a
who.
given. Eto
Yeah.
is better.
Don't,
I think
don't
anyone
name
who
drop
speaks-
players right now. क्योंकि शायद वो आगे लिस्ट में हो शायद ना हो. So
He
don't
better
name
be
drop.
there because he's the best African striker.
Acha, check it.
I think anyone who has seen Harry Kane knows that it doesn't matter whether you give a problem to players for 90 minutes. At the end of the day, you have to be a good goal scorer to be one of the top 10 forwards of all
I
time.
disagree with
But
that.
he was a good goal scorer.
Based on-
He
based
was
on-
a
He was a
good goal scorer.
Based on the-
he wasn't a great
couldn't-
goal scorer.
The problem is he couldn't do all of that and then also get behind the goals because Lampard would be there. He'd be helping
100%,
Lampard do
yes.
because Chelsea as a team would play differently.
Exactly.
It
Chelsea
wasn't
had-
just Drogba.
yeah,
Chelsea had a
Whereas
25
Spurs, whereas with Spurs, right? It's just Kane. It's just on. Kane has been told you do this, but you have to also get on there.
No,
And
Kane
he
scores
does
goals,
that. But he
Son
does
scores
that.
goals, Bale scores goals,
no,
everyone
come
can
on,
score
man.
goals.
No,
I mean,
It's
not
Drogba,
top 10, definitely. I
Yeah,
agree
not
with
top
you.
10.
It's
Not for
no
me
one's
too.
saying he's a bad player. He was
Yeah.
an
No,
amazing
no,
striker.
Honorable
He was
mention,
amazing, yeah.
honorable
He's
mention.
top 10, and like we said, he's in the list, as you guys
And-
have all
and
seen,
I
from
can-
our cumulative list. So the
cumulative
pudding
list
is in the
of
eating.
5 different weird Chelsea players who have no idea what
Is
they're
he a
pushing
Chelsea?
in.
Is he a Chelsea fan?
Waleed ka theek hai. He
Waleed,
gives a
Waleed or
objective
Sherry,
analysis.
Yeah,
Waleed,
and he put
Sherry,
him in there.
Waleed,
Sherry's-
Sherry,
yeah.
and 3 Chelsea boys
Yeah,
put him
but
in.
So that's
not
2
what
and
I'm saying.
3.
Only he would put him in there.
Sherry
He didn't
put him
have
there.
the
Yeah, he
Chelsea
doesn't
players.
deserve to be there for
Yeah.
sure.
Sherry put him in because वो आर्सेनल के साथ जो करता था उस वजह से मुझे लगता है.
No, but honestly-
No, he's look, no doubt, great striker.
Good player.
Champions League 2012, amazing.
Bro, he carried that Chelsea
carried
to the
it,
Champions
he
League.
carried
definitely,
it.
Literally
definitely.
carried them.
But we're talking about all time,
Definitely not
the
there.
whole career.
Definitely not there.
Look at his whole
Since
career.
we've started watching.
Yeah, since we've started
Bro,
watching.
that Bayern team and all those teams that he beat along the way were pretty.
Yeah, but those were in the last few years of his career. That's it.
Doesn't matter. As
I think it does matter.
Drogba's
I think as if you look at a striker who's all time, you look at the start of his career, the end of his career, the prime, everything, the way he finished.
Yeah, how many
and I think
matches he's played.
Drogba has been amazing, but he's not all time.
Definitely not all
well,
time.
we will have to agree to disagree there. Drogba, if you're watching, we love
You
you.
made it to the list.
I love you
so
too,
that's
Drogba.
fine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
he'd
made
be
it to
proud.
our list, so
Doesn't
they can
matter.
disagree all they want. You're in here, bro.
And you're the second
And you're in
best
here
African-
too.
It's the second best
Talking
African
about
striker.
that, this guy didn't make it to your list. Number 8 is Wayne Rooney.
Definitely.
Nah, man, that's too
Definitely.
low.
Has to be there.
No.
Wait, did I have him on my list?
That's
You,
low, man.
excellent. You had him at 4th. I had him at 6th. Tariq did not have him.
I am not having Rooney if Drogba's not on there. Rooney cannot be on there.
बाकी भी बताने दो ना.
You lost your mind. एक minute. No way.
apples and oranges.
Let me
Let him finish.
एक सेकंड उसके बाद तुम इसके हाँ. You had him at 8th, जो कि ये finish किया.
The 8th best striker you've ever
had him at
seen.
Yeah, I did.
Zako had him at 6th. Bakr,
The 6th best striker you've ever seen is Wayne Rooney.
यार रुक जाओ ना. Relax.
Come on, Elton John.
Bakr didn't have him. Behram didn't have him. Mani had him at 6th. Essen didn't have him. And Sherry didn't have him.
And I
How
didn't
did he
have
get
him.
6th then? Like, how did he get enough points? to
Shut
be
up. You're
sixth?
just bitter about all the titles
Look.
you could have won if he wasn't around.
Look, मेरे बात सुनो.
Huh.
Wayne Rooney again, great striker, not top 10, not
Have you
all
lost
time.
your mind?
No,
Yeah,
no,
like,
no,
this
no.
is not
Best
even a
goal scoring
debate.
records in Premier League
You're
history.
just making a fool out of yourself. Like, why is he not there? He's the highest top scorer in England, top scorer Manchester
England
United.
is not the world.
Assist,
England
he
is
used to
not the
assist as well.
world. England is not
He
the
used
world.
to
I don't
assist
care
as
if
well.
it's-
He's won Champions League. He has
It's all about
numerous amounts of
assisting.
trophies.
It's about the best
He's
forward.
played longer
And
matches.
forwards
He's done a lot
are
of things.
defined by people who score goals.
Recently, right? Neymar said, I think in कब World Cup था? 2014 था या क्या था? हाँ, उसमें Neymar said, or was it before 2010 में? Neymar had said कि the only chance England have at doing well in this tournament is because if they cloned Wayne Rooney. But Wayne Rooney, the thing is, Wayne Rooney is a complete player. Like footballer-wise, he's complete. He's played in all the positions. He has a good pass on him. He can dribble. He can carry the ball. He's got good sense.
I'll be
So
honest.
his
I'll be
IQ
honest. I had him
Bro,
on my
Wayne
list.
Rooney's a good-
knocks himself out while playing for
Bro, the thing is, and this
It
is-
does
bro,
oxygen.
After Wayne Rooney, right, the only striker I've seen who plays with proper aggression and like just mad. He's a mad man. Is Jamie Vardy, other than Wayne Rooney.
Yeah.
but Artur Suarez is
that
pretty
mentality,
mad.
right?
Suarez is pretty
I mean, he's a
good.
bit too mad. Like,
No, it's just mad, man. Like, bro, have you seen?
थोड़ा ज़्यादा
you guys-
चक्की
No, but you guys
He's
have
nuts.
seen that
Oh, no,
goal.
no, let him
Wayne
finish.
Rooney का वो goal जो था, where he's arguing with the referee,
Yeah.
and literally like 2 seconds later,
just
he's like,
go away.
he bangs in a volley
Yeah.
out of the deep. Bro, Wayne Rooney was like,
He shimmed it, by the way.
it doesn't matter. I mean,
Doesn't
Rooney's
matter.
also
Yeah.
showing that.
I think one of the most important things for this list, it's strictly number 9s, right? Forwards play in the center. Goal scoring record is the stat, right? That's like the should be top of the list. And he has one of the best goal scoring records in England. He's won Champions Leagues. He's won the treble. He's won league titles.
Which treble?
Multiple.
Double. Oh yeah, the double with United.
Yeah, but apart from that, so if you have to see all-time great strikers, right? You have to see the goals, you have to see the assists as well, but you have to see the amount of matches they've played and how they've been performing since a young age, and also the number of trophies that they've helped their teams win as well. So all of the criteria, I think Rooney sits in well. And 7, 8, 6, like this is the right place for him.
I feel 8th is fair.
No, but the longevity part, because he started at such a young age, he did suffer because of it at the end of his career. Like when he reached 30,
decline
30 like from 18 to 30 and 30 ke baad
But you know, 15 years, like
Yeah,
from
but that's a
18
lot,
to
that's a
33
lot,
is
that's
still
a lot.
like top
At
notch.
number 8, I don't think there's an argument over
I
that.
think
Yeah,
just
Bucker's
made the
nuts.
argument.
I think he may have been higher, but he never
We don't-
played as the central strike force
He would
in his team.
play
Only for a
on
few
the
years.
left a lot of the
Only
times
for a
when
few years.
Tevez and Ronaldo
Exactly.
were there.
Yeah, he had
Right?
Tevez, he had Ronaldo, he had Berbatov.
I
he
think
had,
my problem
Van
with the
Persie.
selection of Rooney is that I don't think he fits the mold of what we're picking here, because controversially we weren't allowed to pick Ronaldo in this list.
रोनाल्डो
But the
और
Portuguese
मेसी
Ronaldo.
रोनाल्डो और मेसी का मैं बता दूं कि उनका एक सेपरेट वोट होगा, वो किसी भी पोजीशंस में हम नहीं कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, इवन ऑन द लेफ्ट विंग, राइट विंग.
So you were saying Rooney's too good.
Rooney की position.
He's saying Rooney's too good, you can't have him.
No,
on
I'm
the
not
list.
saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm saying
Ronaldo and Messi.
isn't Rooney's
Ronaldo.
position in a team kind of like what Bergkamp and Totti's position is? So why is Rooney allowed in
Bro,
this list?
position की बात नहीं, it's more about roles what they're signed to. Totti wasn't the proper number
Totti
10.
को होना
Totti
चाहिए
के
था
different
सारे
roles
में
थे. I thought Totti should be a striker, ठीक है, like in there were different roles, bro. Totti has played wide, Totti has
But he
played at
was-
center attacking mid, and also for Italy, and in the later 2005 से लेकर till the end, he played as a false nine and a proper forward leading the
लेकिन
line.
the majority of his career from 96 to 2005 वो
Attacking midfield.
attacking में, center attacking में.
He was a
secondary forward.
नहीं,
No,
वो बाद में
no,
हुआ.
not
वो
secondary
बाद में
forward.
हुआ.
There was always
वो-
2 players ahead of him.
Batistuta
The only thing
और
about
Montella होते थे.
Yeah.
The only even with Italy, look, the thing about Totti is the reason why I wanted to him as a forward, but the reason why I didn't, because as Sadi said, in the prime of his career, attacking midfielder, only when he slowed down, he became a false
Bro, he
nine.
was still in his prime when he won the
No,
World
but then
Cup.
Rooney played the majority of his career as a-
won the World Cup for
I don't think he did.
He did. Oh
He
भाई,
did.
oh भाई,
He did.
oh भाई. Totti के ऊपर कुछ नहीं करना.
And also, no, but for
Totti को छोड़.
4-4-2 he was the secondary striker, and
Rooney
he
की बात हो रही है यार. Rooney,
No, but that's the thing,
the guy
Rooney
deserves
का-
some recognition,
Bro,
you know, like.
Rooney का भी ऐसी है.
Rooney का
top scorer in United
I'm
का.
willing
One
to,
at a time.
Rooney ka, I'm willing to compromise. I had him in 11th. I had him in my list at one point as well. The only reason I took him out because I looked at the criteria, which is not just Premier League, all across Europe. That includes Champions League, other leagues, and everything. I know Rooney didn't play in other league. You don't have to go to that point. But I'm just saying that all time,
He
all
played in
leagues
Championship.
across Europe. For me, he was 11th at best.
No, that's fine. We rate him, but I feel like Rooney का ये जो है कि
But that's not without saying that his energy, like I've seen nothing like it.
Yeah.
Even with Derby, like
Fair enough.
Number
and
7.
MLS.
ठीक है ना, बस अब रूनी पे बहुत बात हो गई है, इतना वो डिजर्व नहीं करता. खैर, नंबर 7 Sergio Aguero.
No,
No argument. Of course.
No, yaar.
Of course.
सिर्फ 2 people didn't have him, Essen and Tariq.
No, why would you put Aguero in this all-time list?
Why would you?
What has he done internationally and in other?
अच्छा मैं बता दूं ना, I had him at 10th, he had him at 9th, Mustafa had him at 7th, Zako had him at 7th, Bakr had him at 4th, Behram had him at 6th, Mani had him at 5th, and Sherry had him at 9th.
Listen, he deserves it more than David Villa, and he's a better player. Not much, I'd say, but
Why does he deserve it more than
I don't agree with that.
Bro, क्या है, Sergio Aguero के तुम European record भी देख लो ना, and on top of that you watch his Premier League में जो the goals he scored, the amount of games.
Yeah, that's fine.
By the way, an injury-prone striker who's
No,
always
listen,
has
he's
come
agreeing with you
to
there,
the-
but when you say more than Villa, you almost
That's not-
overlooking
that's not
a
right, yeah.
career of
No,
extreme.
I didn't say कि more is turning.
Yeah.
Emphasis more.
You didn't say
I'm
more,
saying-
more.
Yeah, you just said more. The thing is like
no disrespect.
people-
Yeah, I think we are
Less more, not more.
people take
No,
away.
I tell you
No,
what.
hold on, let me finish what I'm saying. People tend to Sorry, it's like you got a bit sad. There.
Because I'm waiting for you to drop side.
I'm just saying people tend to overlook Villa's achievements on the international level because of how prolific Spain were. But you have to understand, it was a lot to do because of him in the first place. The style of play.
It wasn't just him, bro. I feel
Of
like
course
the
it wasn't.
midfield was too overpowered,
Of
bro.
course it wasn't just him. But you can't.
Sergio Ramos was right back for a
Even
while.
fullbacks for
But
like
you
every
can't
position
take
that
marks
he
off
played.
of him just because he played in an amazing team. Because he
Yeah,
was
everyone.
again fundamental to the way they played. And
No,
he was a big part of it.
Villa from the leading lines का वो तो ठीक है मान तो स्पेन की not, but it's not about Villa. Aguero की मैं इसलिए बात कर रहा हूँ कि why he, because Aguero का basically journey भी एक देखो ना, where Aguero was a proper goal scorer, right? When Pep came in, Pep didn't like the way he was just standing there in the box, you know, predator type scene. Pep told him, I'm not going to play you unless you change your gameplay and bring that false nine roles in you. And that's exactly what he did. So yeah, bro, Aguero ka, he's transformed his game, he's transitioned,
Look,
he's been a complete
I
forward.
had him on fourth, by
All
the way.
that.
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that I don't like your or agree with your argument about Guardiola's part because I think Aguero's best years, his best years are probably pre the time that
अच्छा
Guardiola
वैसे
came.
तुम कह रहे थे he can't be better than Villa, but you had him at 4th of Villa, you had him at 10th.
I just don't like. I'm just saying. I just.
Wow.
I
I was just
understand.
making that point to Tariq because
Yes,
Tariq
I
didn't
understand
have
this point. I'm
So
just
I
saying you
said
just
कि Villa,
contradictory
I think it's-
comment.
Look, I think-
Yeah.
One
You
at a time,
can't.
guys.
You can't just be like this person is much better than that. Again, it's a cumulative thing. I have my reasons why I put Aguero above, but I just feel like a lot of people, especially when it comes to David Villa, because he was in Barcelona and in Spain
Valencia.
in the I'm talking
That's
about
right.
Valencia में था.
Valencia.
in
Like
like
his prime years.
in his prime year.
Yeah.
Okay, either way, we tend to overlook him despite an incredible CV, thinking, oh, well,
I don't think
most
anyone
strikers could have
overlooks
done this.
David
David
Villa at
Villa
all.
deserves a lot more respect than
I
we're
think
giving
the
him.
prime of our footballing years, you know, when we were watching, it was David Villa. We remember him clearly. The Euros,
before that,
the World Cup. Like I think 2010 World Cup was the World Cup that I saw like properly with friends, with everyone. So I think we remember. his
शानी के
achievements.
basement में देखते थे ना.
We
Yeah.
saw
Comes
Spain
with a
dominate.
Yeah, in
for
their
years
prime.
with
But
David
like
Villa.
Aguero's defense, I'd like to say that even with like Aguero's known as a suspect injury-wise, you know, he doesn't play as many games, but he still has almost the same games as David Villa did in his entire career, and he's still going strong.
I'm not saying he's not.
And he has about like 50-60 goals already ahead of David Villa on top of that, and he's won more trophies as well.
ये बस बड़ी confidence से बोल रहे हो, stats check करना पड़ेंगे.
Bro,
I did a whole Excel. I did analysis.
एक और बात है
Like
बताओ ना.
20 strikers.
Has David Villa ever scored that Aguero?
David
ये
Villa
moment
scored
goal पे ना,
from
he has to
from
be
the
top
halfway line
I
on a
don't think
single touch.
He has
That's
to be
not
top
all-
10.
that's-
Bro, when you
But
go
that's not
Aguero,
all time. That's 30 seconds.
Aguero.
That's it.
You're like baller.
Chalo, who's next?
30 seconds, all you need.
You maybe.
Yeah, definitely.
Believe 5 minutes later.
That's why I forget.
The next striker, please. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say here.
अच्छा जी, next number 6, Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
I had him at 8th. He had him at 5th. Tariq had him at 4th. Mujtaba had him at 2nd. Yeah. Zakko had him at 4th. और Bakr had him at 5th. Behram didn't have him. कहता Champions League नहीं जीती. हाँ. और Mani didn't have him. और Essen had him at 8th. And Sherry didn't have him.
Behram and Mani both did not have him.
हाँ, and Sherry didn't.
ये
Wow.
if you guys
अगर ये list में ना होता, I would have flipped this effing table right now.
plasticness,
I
just listen.
I think 6 is too low
Plasticness.
for
One
him.
of the best
Yeah,
players to
sisters
ever
do.
win the Champions
नहीं,
League.
आगे अगर तुम देखोगे ना शायद 5th आ सकता था ये, लेकिन उससे ऊपर जो है ना वो ज्यादा सारे बेहतर हैं.
ठीक है मैं भी कह रहा हूँ 5th 6th.
Mid-level striker.
But like the
Sahi hai.
consistency, yeah, he's
Yeah.
been doing it for so long, so many goals,
And
so many
even
matches
though
played.
every year, like,
And for a guy of his size, जो वो करता है ना, वो
and
देखा
every
नहीं
year
किसी को भी.
people would write him off like
And
अब ये goals नहीं
injury-wise, like
करेगा,
he's
अब ये
played so
goals
many
नहीं
matches
करेगा.
as well, like
And he
he's
just boom
so many
scores.
youth strikers,
If you
different
thought
countries,
like there's an
adaptability.
argument right now that if Fernandes is dragging or carrying United, Ibrahimovic literally for that season
35 years
we're
old.
dragging them.
35 years
Dragging
old.
I think
them.
Ibrahimovic dragged entire Serie A, like, you know.
No, this season, from since the lockdown last year up to
Yeah.
now, like calendar year of 2020, if there's one player who's been dragging Milan, it's Ibrahimovic.
For sure.
Like not just goals, like his mentality, what he brings on the pitch, off the pitch. He's pumping up all the other players to be
Juve,
better.
Inter.
And the thing with Ibrahimovic is, since his idol, like he always says, I've always looked up to R9, right, the Brazilian. So it was maybe like for a tall man, like everyone, when they looked at him, they're like, okay, there was this interview when he was in Ajax or joined Ajax, right, from the youth team. So they go like, so what type of player do you think you are? And Ibrahimovic goes, technical. And everyone's laughing like you're so big, you know.
People think people are clumsy, right?
Exactly, but that's the thing. Like this guy, like proper baller, man.
Short time. Pani bhi bhai.
And the things he does with the ball is, matlab, itna lamba ho ke na, the control he has on it is perfect, man. Like,
You go back to United in Ibrahimovic's first season for United, and Pogba was so well behaved because even he couldn't take the spotlight off of him.
Yeah.
Even he kept his. And when
I
the
think
moment
deserving.
Ibrahimovic left, Pogba exploded.
The number of different leagues and the number of different teams he's done it in consistently, being a high scorer, being the star forward of his team.
Yeah.
I think he
and
has to be up there.
dropping back and all that stuff, just like R9 used to do. Like,
He's everything Peter Crouch and Andy Carroll thought he could be, but they
Name
couldn't.
drop players.
He's everything Arnautovic thought he could be, but never could.
Yeah, remember when we had Torres when we partnered it up with Peter Crouch.
What's it in there?
No one cares.
Number 5. Girl.
no, I mean, oh, shit.
Dude, just tell me one thing.
Ah.
Did Zucker put Christian Benteke in the list or not?
Nahi, obviously.
Because for 2 years, Zucker told me it was the best signing in the world. No matter what, Benteke, what a steal at 35 million.
I'd be surprised if Andy Carroll is not on the list.
वो एक जो ये हमेशा बोलता रहता
Christian
था.
Nemeth.
Oh, no. That youth player.
Just
Alan
go.
Rodriguez.
One day,
Alan Rodriguez.
अभी तक work permit नहीं मिला उसे.
Yeah, like a work permit मिल जाता. The work permit मिल जाता, he would have taken over the Premier League, dude.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Robert Lewandowski.
Yes, sir.
यार बहुत आगे. Nah, he's
I had him at 5.
What else
बहुत
could
आगे.
he do?
एक second. I had him at 5. He had him at 10th. Tariq had him at 6th. Mustafa had him at 3rd. Zaku had him at 5th. Bakar did not have him. Behram had him at 2nd. Mani had him at 4th. Essen didn't have him. And Sherry had him at
Okay, I just want to say something.
No, let me say something. Behram, tu pagal hai yaar. Kya?
I would definitely made a major oversight, and probably maybe it didn't occur to me, but I would definitely have Lewandowski in my list instead of Tevez if I had.
And वैसे वो लिस्ट में नहीं है, मैं अभी बता देता हूँ. नंबर 11th was Andriy Shevchenko. अगर तुम्हारी लिस्ट में होता तो वो शायद टॉप 10 में आ जाता.
Probably
10 साल में Shevchenko सुनता
And you call yourself a Chelsea fan.
Shevchenko, if you're
Shame.
watching
एक
this.
तो AC Milan ने गलती करके एक Chelsea player दी.
No, honestly, I worshipped Shevchenko for
Wow.
most of my life.
And you guys
I'm sorry,
ruined it.
Shevchenko.
Tevez और Torres डाल दिए.
Hey, about Lewandowski.
Torres, ठीक है. Tevez, I can't justify. That's my bad. And
You put
Lewandowski-
Torres in the list?
Yeah, Fernando Torres, I did.
Tevez and Torres.
Don't talk to me for a minute. Yeah, Lewandowski.
हाँ.
Good. I think that's fair. What, 5th?
हाँ, 5th.
Yeah, the guys.
I had him at 5th. He had him
What
at
do you
5th.
need more from a striker to be
यार
prolific?
ऐसे he's not
energy,
Aguero से
energy,
आगे नहीं है bro.
winning.
Listen bro, Aguero और Ibrahimovic अगर 6 तो इससे मतलब पीछे है ना, so he doesn't deserve. इनसे बेहतर नहीं है
You're
यार.
saying
I
Aguero is
think-
better than Lewandowski?
Yeah, bro, he is
No.
better than Lewandowski.
No way.
He is,
Lewandowski
man. The thing is, bro, I'll tell you one thing.
Different
Bro,
way
he's
better.
not.
I mean, you were saying the other day Harry Kane is better than Lewandowski, so please.
No, I don't have anything against him. मैंने Harry Kane डाला भी नहीं है इसमें because Lewandowski का overall मैं season का bro मैं Kane का season की बात करता कि it's better than his.
I know,
at
but
this
they
season.
don't know that, so who
Anyways,
cares?
anyway, overall player अगर देखा जाए ना तो Aguero ये सब काफी बेहतर है यार इससे like 5th का scene नहीं
He's
है.
been banging the goals
Lewandowski
in non-stop since we were in
yeah.
college back in
Bro,
back
he's
in
not. The thing is,
Dortmund
bro, I'll tell you one thing,
He's
right?
not done it,
Bro, I'll tell you
he's
one
not
thing.
done it just because he's in Bayern and he's in a super
Yes.
squad
Bro,
team.
he has done it because-
He's done it in Bundesliga. No, you
Bro,
can't take that away from him.
Bro,
just
I'm not
because he's
taking
in
it
a
away from him.
super
I'm
squad
saying
team.
Aguero- Bro,
one cousin
listen.
at a time. Tariq
Oh,
Gil.
I'm not taking that away from him. मैं नहीं कह रहा कि जर्मन लीग का तुम अगर देखो ना जनरली भी उनके numbers easily goals के मुताबिक ना all the players who do score there मतलब काफी it's really easy scoring in the German league,
Dude,
bro.
no, hold
the way
on.
they play.
That is बकवास मत करो.
Bro, I'm seriously
How can
telling
you
you.
say?
नीचे डाल देना.
How can you say that?
You can say that maybe kind of for Bayern, but for Dortmund, Lewandowski
Yeah.
was a monster.
Bro,
Look at his
Klopp
two
ki
seasons
team,
at
Look at his
Klopp
record
ki
for
team, bro,
Poland.
bro, Klopp ki team was set up for Lewandowski to thrive and all his players. And on top of that, just like Salah is now, na, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि
So,
गलती से कर रहा है.
so if we say that Salah is only scoring goals because the team is set up
Yes,
for him.
bro, I'll tell you why.
But
And I agree with that because
You're taking that away from the striker. He
Bro,
actually
I'm
has
not
to
taking it
finish.
away. I'm just
He actually has to be there.
Okay,
in
Walid,
position.
hold on. What should Lewandowski have done in that system to get this respect?
bro, he doesn't get disrespect or कोई
No, no,
respect
but-
की
but
बात
for
नहीं.
you to
I'm
not
just saying
say
if
this-
Ibrahimovic is sixth
Because all he can
and
do is
Aguero
score
is
the
seventh,
goals,
Aguero
right?
is seventh. He
I had
can't
look.
be fifth.
I had
man. He can't be
Ibrahimovic. I had
fifth.
Ibrahimovic
That's
more
too high.
higher than
I
Lewandowski.
think Ibrahimovic should have been higher.
No, I had him higher as
He's
well.
been for 22 years.
I had him
for
higher
God's
as well.
sake.
It's because who had him at second?
Behram.
Okay. Well,
I had
Yeah.
Ibrahimovic at second.
yeah. So
Yeah, because they didn't even have Ibrahimovic in the
Listen,
list.
bro, I had
so
Leva.
I can't be faulted for.
Bro, I had
Behram,
Leva.
don't mind, but I can't be faulted for Behram.
No, but
I had Leva at 10. He makes the top 10. लेकिन ये नहीं है यार.
so see, that's not fair either, right? Ibrahimovic, if you're saying that he didn't, he banged him in other leagues. Ibrahimovic put him in the
मैं-
Eredivisie
bro,
and
मैं
in
league की-
PSG in the French league.
Bro,
as
but
well.
मैं league की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ,
Lewandowski
not
has a great
understanding.
goal scoring record also in the Champions League, and he's won the Champions League.
Bro, मैं league की
won
बात
the treble.
Yeah, he's won the treble.
Bro, मैं league की बात नहीं कर रहा.
Yeah, the
ओए,
treble though.
ओए, मैं league उसकी तरह
And
बात
how
नहीं कर रहा
many
कि he has to
times-
move.
how
मैं ये
many-
वाली
and
बात
how
नहीं
many
कर रहा.
times-
One.
Bro,
Okay,
can, can I make it this clear पहले कि ये league के मैं नहीं कह रहा कि he has to move somewhere. I'm saying it's much easier to bang them in the German league.
Yes,
I know
but
what
it's
you're
so-
thinking.
It must be
I know what you're thinking.
It must
But
be
you
so
don't mean that.
difficult for
Let's-
poor
let's keep
Aguero
it
to bang goals
PG-13.
in Man City, but there's no good players around him. There's no great managers there.
Has done it in the Serie A and Serie A में उसमें defenses are it's pretty tough scoring there. He's done it in the French league and he's also done it.
But he's had more than 100 in the
In the
French
Premier League.
In the French league.
मैं कह रहा हूँ Premier League में भी किया है.
Yeah,
and
but
on
that's
top
what
of
I'm
that,
saying.
But bro, that's
It's not about Ibrahimovic. Look, Lewandowski, he has that capability and he still has it. If his team is down 3 goals, he'll score 4. People expect him to. That's what the kind of striker he is, and he's done it. Ibra has it. We're not talking
Ibra
about.
has
we're not
Ibra's
talking
carrying your
about-
team, bro.
we're
At
not
30,
talking-
at 40
I mean,
years
it's
old.
an endless debate.
Walid,
but-
Walid, just
Look,
look.
just we
Fine
can't
margins.
we can't throw shade on Lewandowski just because Ibrahimovic is carrying another team on 40. TK Ibrahimovic is awesome. I had him higher on my list, but Lewandowski, you can't fault him for being in this position.
And consider Bayern versus PSG, what we just saw without Lewandowski.
Exactly.
Consider what just happened there for a second.
Final में भी अगर देखा जाए ना उसमें besides that Coman goal PSG had a lot of chances where they could have scored but they didn't and they could have won that final as well but they didn't and वो भी लेवा ने goal नहीं मारा था he didn't make the difference.
No, but
Just
you
5-1.
saw the difference now. And
anyways,
also,
the
just
point
was
is-
one final point.
Bro, the point is I don't want to sound disrespectful to Leva. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा
I'm
कि
not
कोई
saying
फजूल
that
player
either.
है.
I'm
Well,
saying
they
ठीक है,
can
I like
now-
I like
He's
Leva.
gonna
I'm saying
unfollow you on
people-
Twitter now.
No, but
I
I
think you
like
should
I
also
like
consider.
Leva like a complete
Not that he's
striker.
following
I
him
think you
on
should
Twitter.
also consider Lewandowski as a player for Poland and what he's done for that national team,
Yeah.
who haven't been great, and that is something we overlook a lot. He's carried them for a long time.
For a
too.
long time, and on top of that, he's started this whole trend.
them to where?
No, bro, काफी carry किया. No, and he started this trend in Poland. Like मैं interviews का देख रहा था. Like I am a fan of Lewandowski. ये नहीं कह रहा मैं. लेकिन the problem is कि I have a problem if we stop 5 and Ibrahimovic is left out
Yeah,
because of
I
that.
have a problem
That's
with
the
that
only
as well.
problem I
But
have.
I didn't.
Yeah, देखो
Behram, thank you. Thank you for unleashing this on us.
सिर्फ 10 पॉइंट्स का गैप था दोनों में. अगर बेराम थोड़ा लेवेंडोस्की को नीचे कर देता
बेराम को dismiss कर रहे यार.
चेल्सी बॉयज ने बहुत ज्यादा इस दफा
Stop
लिस्ट
making
खराब
them
किया.
part of the compilation when they can't come and explain themselves.
नहीं ना फिर वो सैंपल साइज कम हो जाता है फिर वो.
Anyways.
हाँ. Next number 4 Samuel Eto'o. सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स से आगे लेवेंडोस्की से ये बाय द वे.
2 points.
Wow.
और सिर्फ एक बंदे की टीम में नहीं लिस्ट में नहीं था. Zakri.
Yeah,
नहीं,
दफा
आप-
यार.
Mr. Vanilla.
So in my
Bagi, everyone had it.
in my defense, I told Sadi this. I'm like, it's so hard to rank these strikers that at some point I started going for my favorite strikers rather than the best ones. You know,
हाँ, इसीलिए टॉरेस है.
yeah,
फोन
not,
साइलेंट कर
not ranking them for ability, but just like how much I love watching them play. And then Eto'o went to Chelsea and stuff, and then I was just like, kind of turned me off a little bit.
Eto'o तो बहुत बनता है. I mean, the kind of stuff that.
अच्छा तो मैं बता दूं ना. I had him at 7th. Waleed had him at 6th. You had him at 10th. Mustafa had him at 5th. Zako did not have him. Bakr had him at 9th. Behram had him at 4th. Mani had him at 2nd. Sherry had him at 3rd. And Essen had him at 6th.
ठीक है, I think
ये भी थोड़ा सा मानी की वजह
But
से
I-
वैसे skew हो गया
But
वरना
also think
Lewandowski
about-
से भी ऊपर था
I think Mani made up for Zucco in a way. Because Eto's about right where he probably should be.
Bro, best African player, back-to-back trebles. नहीं, back-to-back trebles था क्या था?
back-to-back
Champions League.
No, no.
But he won trebles
Back-to-back
as well.
trebles. He's won back-to-back trebles.
Yeah, back-to-back trebles.
2009
First
with Barca,
first Barcelona, and then with
2010
Inter, bro. So वो,
And
bro,
he was like playing right back in the final. Can you imagine? Like it was
Left
crazy,
back.
like the amount of
Needed the
defense.
best he could for his national
Yeah,
team as
yeah.
well, so that covers it as well.
No, he scored.
Bro,
they won
bro, this
African
one season-
Cup of Nations.
bro, this
by-
one-
I don't know
Bro, this
Yeah.
one season I remember मैं documentary देख रहा था ये बार्सिलोना का उस वक्त का ना कह रहे थे तो Pep like when he wanted to shift him out wide and stuff ना वो कह रहा था कि आहिस्ता आहिस्ता निकाल रहा था उसे he didn't play him a few matches and फिर this is the season before they sold him right तो वही Pep was trying his best to like not fit him and stuff but Eto'o was just मतलब phenomenal the play he played the way he was so important for that Barcelona side and especially Messi and everyone there he just couldn't be ignored even though Pep slowly didn't want him उस तरह का so
He did a Premier League later on. I remember when people were calling him old and stuff, and even did the old
Even
man
with the-
stick
Yeah,
celebration.
that
Because even then he
celebration.
scored a hat tricks over there. He did great for Chelsea too. He had
Yeah.
longevity, he had pace, he had
Chelsea.
work
फिट
rate.
था एटो बहुत फिट था
Yeah.
Chelsea
everything.
trying to stay relevant. चल क्या था?
हाँ एटो पे कोई ज्यादा डिबेट नहीं हुई वैसे क्योंकि सारे एग्री कर रहे थे जको ने कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दी नंबर 3 लुइस सुआरेस
top 3.
वलीद जको बकर behram Mani had him at third
Perfect.
Essen Sherry and Tariq had him at 5th I had him at 4th he didn't have him
He didn't have him?
he didn't
Why?
Luis Suarez?
Because he killed you. Because he killed you guys day after day after day.
वैसे वाकई ब्रो सुआरेज ने यूनाइटेड को
Suarez-
बहुत तंग किया था
Suarez कैसे नहीं हो सकता यार टॉप 10 में
Even if you put aside the goal scoring record, the titles,
The chakkiyan.
the chakkiyan, all of it,
The racism,
the
everything.
racism, you put all of that aside.
Biting.
Just the
चक्कियां वही
sheer
होगी।
number
Oh,
of
sorry.
unbelievable moments and
English
unbelievable
moment.
goals that Suarez has given. I think he put
bro
it
the thing is
like as a Man United
it is difficult to like.
Some players just have something about them. Suarez could do things that didn't make sense.
Amazing.
Yeah, like white people.
Like if you think you had a bad, ask Norwich City fans how they feel.
नॉर्विच सिटी को कौन पूछता है यार
Suarez
मतलब पॉइंट तो
4 goals no but that's not the only team he scored 4 on
No, but the
Barcelona
kind
के
of goals he
साथ-
scored on them. He
bro,
scored,
Barcelona
he
के
scored a
साथ-
volley from the halfway line. Then he scored a
He's
free
dodging
kick at the end
United
again.
players on the touchline next to the goal line. It's crazy.
नहीं
Like,
and bro not only that bro his nutmegs
let's put on a YouTube
bro there's a,
clip.
bro
Suarez versus United and
Suarez
watch-
loved a nutmeg.
Let's
Bro,
film
this is-
Mustafa's
sorry,
reaction.
Bro, Suarez ka, there's this video of 157 nutmegs compilation hai, and literally everyone is just this nutmeg.
आई
that
वो भी
nutmeg.
से नहीं होगा फिर भी
Bro, trust me, this guy is a nutmeg king. On top of that, finishing ability.
could
अच्छा एक
nutmeg
और बात,
mermaid.
Suarez भी बार्सिलोना ने जब ज्वाइन किया था ना, उस वक्त मेसी का सीन था false 9 वाला सीन था ना, like Messi they were like तुम center होगी, you're going to do all that, and they wanted Suarez on the wide, right था या right था हाँ, and for 7 games or something they tried that, it did not work, and वो कह रहे थे सब कि यार Suarez का क्या सीन है, क्या करेंगे, fail है, manager ने इसको center किया है, Messi, bro, imagine Leo Messi.
Pushing Messi out wide.
Arguably the greatest. Pushing him out wide, bro. That tells you something. कि Suarez किस तरह का
He's
striker
really
था.
adaptable. I remember the first season Suarez came to Liverpool. It was he wasn't finishing all of his chances very well. Like Salah does sometimes. A lot of people were saying that you need Suarez isn't the type of player who you play on his own up front. You need another striker with Suarez.
Basically
Peter Crouch. And then the next season, or maybe later that season, he went nuts. Like once he started getting.
And even after, and he was like consistently top goal scorer even after like serving suspension.
No, how many did he score उस season में?
40 something.
No, he tied with Ronaldo, right? वो almost 33 थे.
Yeah.
33 थे ना हाँ, and he missed 8 games.
He was suspended,
Because,
yeah.
but that's insane, bro. And penalties भी कम थे उसमें, and on top of that, उससे
Gerrard took the penalties,
20
yeah.
हाँ 2014-15 में उसका Barcelona season जो था, he was robbed of a Ballon d'Or, I feel. Because Ronaldo won the Euros and ठीक है like fair play but it was more of a team effort than a Ronaldo effort. Suarez ने उस season में he beat prime Ronaldo and prime Messi to a golden boot in their league. A prime Ronaldo and prime Messi. He beat European golden boot उसने जीता था. Assists and goals combined उसके ज़्यादा थे उस season and Uruguay को बेचारा he got injured then with a knee injury so he couldn't perform there.
And even I think he played that game injured. Was it versus Italy where he scored like was it Uruguay? Who did? I think it was against no, he's in Uruguay.
No, England के खिलाफ था.
No, he came back off the bench injured, right?
England
And
के खिलाफ था
England,
वो.
right?
And he
Yeah,
scored
yeah.
उसके Gerrard के
Even
मुकाबले.
then. Oh right.
the amount of pressing he does, the passes he plays.
पागल.
And let's not forget that handball against Ghana.
Oh,
like,
amazing.
just crazy.
For the team.
He would do anything it took to win. Suarez did anything.
मतलब bro complete player यार सब कुछ है उसमें फिर चक्कियाँ भी मारते हैं और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें?
Wait, but listen, is he a baller or not?
Oh complete 100%.
Baller.
Number 2.
Please.
Any guesses?
If it's not who I think it is, I'm gonna throw a fit on national YouTube.
Ronaldo.
What in the name of God is he doing
R9,
number
R9.
2?
अच्छा R9 फिर सही है मैं समझा कि वो था नहीं
Tarek,
ठीक
let's
है.
walk out.
I'm
I'm
happy.
down to
I
walk
know
out.
who's number 1 and I'm so
Who
happy.
in the name of God is?
एक second, मैं explain कर देता
I know who
हूँ.
number 1
एक
is now.
second, एक
So
second.
might as well tell
एक
us both of
second.
them.
एक second. अच्छा. अब मैं दोनों एक साथ ही बता देता हूँ.
Okay.
Number 2 is Ronaldo, R9, और number 1 is Henry. एक second रुक जाओ. मैं बता दूँ ये हुआ क्यों है.
If
Behram
someone, let me
and-
just say, if
एक
he's
second.
not on a list,
Behram and Mani did not have Ronaldo. And Sherry. So I had him at second. Waleed had him at
they
second.
did not have Ronaldo.
They did not have Ronaldo. I had him at second. Waleed had him at second. Tariq had him at first. Mushtaba, Zakko, Bakr had him at first.
Cut. We need to
Essen
do
had
this
him at
again.
first. Henry, on the other hand, I had him at first. Everyone had him in there.
You said Mani and Behram, right?
And Sherry.
And Sherry.
Okay, by the way, if you ever felt like you weren't plastics, just look what you've done, you guys. You call yourself fans of football.
अब जरा Henry की बात
You might
कर
want
लें.
to check this.
अब जरा
This is still working.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm gonna spit some serious facts right now.
Unleash
Tell us who
Ozan.
had Henri, by the way.
I had him at first. Waleed had him at
Wait,
first.
hold on. You had Henri at first. You.
Let him say that.
Why wouldn't I
That's
have?
Ronaldo.
Who else would have him at first?
He's an Arsenal fan.
I had him at first. Waleed had him at first. Tariq had him at second. Zakko, Bakr had him at second. Behram, Mani, Sherry had him at first. Essen had him at second. Mustafa had him at sixth. तो तुम चुप कर जाना. तुम मेरे से बात ना करना.
No,
चलो.
no.
Where did he have him?
shade.
Where did he have him? Where did he have him? He had who had sixth?
Henry.
And Ronaldo where?
First.
Oh, you're not that bad.
Sixth Henry नहीं बनता.
नहीं, वो-
Second तो बनता ही है
उसको तो
ना.
दफा
Sixth,
करो।
Second तो बनता ही
दोनों
है
की
ना.
लिस्ट में Ronaldo नहीं तो
Six-
six Henri
Yeah,
था.
bro,
Who
देखो, before you spit some fire, right?
एक minute.
नहीं,
No
before-
shade. मेरी बात सुन. No,
Bro,
I have to
before you
go
spit
first.
fire- Before you spit fire, एक बात मैं बताऊँ. ठीक है, Henry और
No,
Ronaldo
don't
का.
TK,
No, no, no.
Hey,
Don't TK me right now. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Don't TK this.
Yeah, this is a teaser right here.
Don't do that.
That's
You
the
have to let
teaser.
me get this out right now.
listen.
No. Listen.
just hurt देगा.
Orega. ठीक है. No shade on Henry. Henry Premier League Hall of Fame बनता था उसका everything. He's one of the best.
Premier League's greatest.
Ronaldo, I'm sorry, bro. Ronaldo, R9, the original, the phenomenon. उससे आगे
I agree
नहीं
with you
बनता.
on that.
ठीक है उससे आगे नहीं बनता.
Let the man
And
speak.
to
Let
the
the man
people who
speak.
didn't have him, तुम दफा हो.
Yeah.
आइंदा
तुम
फुटबॉल
देखने
की
बंद
नाम
कर
ही
दो
ना.
यार.
नहीं, I agree with that.
जोगा बोनीटो का नाम कभी नहीं यार.
I am ashamed.
By the way, Jogo
I am
Bonito-
ashamed to
Henry
call you
was a
guys
part of the
Chelsea
Jogo
fans.
Bonito thing as well.
Henry was a
I'm
part
ashamed.
who
Bro,
founded that shit.
No,
Who
bro,
founded
bro,
the
all of
religion
them, all of them did.
football. No,
All of them did.
एक second.
It was all Ronaldo, bro. The
अब मुझे नहीं
guy.
पता बेहराम और मानी ने क्यों नहीं किया. I think वो उन्होंने इसलिए नहीं किया कि उन्होंने प्राइम में नहीं देखा या क्या. I'm not
कोई
defending them.
प्राइम
I'm
शायद
not
की बात ही
defending
नहीं
them.
है.
I'm not defending them.
रोनाल्डो ना होता अब फुटबॉल ना देखते.
I'm not defending them at all. I'm not
Skip
defending.
2002 out of their lives. Like
I don't know.
Wait,
I
there
don't
matches
know.
online. Go watch 90 minutes of them, bro. ये क्या बात हुई? मैंने
Henry
देखी
और
है.
रोनाल्डो 1 और 2 होने चाहिए था.
Yeah.
अब वो अपनी
One and two,
preference
हाँ,
है.
preference
1 कौन
वाली
और 2 कौन.
Dude, you can't miss Ronaldo's prime if you know who Henry is. Like it's the same time.
Yeah, same timeline. He won the World Cup in '98. He won it in 2002.
Yeah, exactly.
And by the way, in the '98 World Cup, they could have won it. The only reason they didn't win is because he had a fit before the match.
Exactly.
And the whole team just went out
And
of whack.
he was
But
on
he was-
fire that
yeah.
year.
और रोनाल्डो यार obviously.
Killing it.
You go around the streets of Pakistan, people watch football here because of Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
That's it.
Ronaldo.
उनको कुछ नहीं पता Ronaldo का नाम पता
I
था.
swear, look, when he joined Milan, even though he was out of his prime, when he joined Milan, it was one of the happiest days of my life. Because just having that guy in a Milan shirt,
Bro, but
crazy.
सिर्फ वो सीन नहीं था. Like Ronaldo का ये सीन था for strikers, right? He literally naturally वो striker role जो था, he changed that whole role.
Yeah.
He was the first one to bring the drop back, the move around. I'm not just going to stand there box के साथ predator scene. He was going right, left, backwards, making play, connecting play, and making everyone.
And he wasn't
play,
just moving.
and also excelling
He was
everyone with
dodging
it.
people.
Bro,
He was
that's my point.
he
ना
was
कि he
like
was
literally
dribbling around
gliding
it.
between them.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, his on-ball movement, dribbling, and all that stuff.
clinical.
Ronaldo scored a hat trick at Old Trafford against United, and
Yeah.
the entire stadium applauded him off.
Yeah.
That happens once in a while.
That's the sole reason.
And
why
usually,
Ronaldo-
and usually when you get like a heavy type,
तुम अभी बात ना करो,
heavy
तुम पे
type
मैं
player-
आता हूँ।
Henry does not
तो
deserve to
तुम
be
पे
second.
यार
No, we're not
एक
done with
second,
Ronaldo yet.
एक
We're
second,
not
एक second,
done.
एक
This is
second.
just-
Henry 6th, Eto, Raul, Lewandowski, Ibrahimovic उससे ऊपर नहीं
I'm
आता,
surprised
उससे ऊपर नहीं आता, उससे ऊपर आ ही नहीं
So,
सकता,
Waleed,
आ
Yeah, I
ही
think
नहीं
Henry
सकता।
had like good
This is
five.
unfair on Henry
Henry
because
had what?
Are you
Good
crazy?
5 years?
98 से कब तक खेला वो रिटायर्ड
So I think
क्या
He
मतलब कुछ नहीं करता था, क्या
came
मतलब
back
यार,
for
ये क्या
Arsenal and
बात हुई?
scored.
वो बार्सिलोना पहली बात है, ऑनरी का बार्सिलोना सीजन भी काफी अंडररेटेड जाता
बहुत
है.
underrated.
He was really good.
Bernabeu
Bro,
उसने
he
hat-trick
bro
मारी
again
थी भाई.
मैं Aguero को credit दे रहा था ना, वो changing his playing stuff under Pep. Henry was, even though he started as a left winger, but then he trained Arsene Wenger के साथ center forward था. Then again he moved wide.
he had a 30 goal season there because
Yeah.
all three of
Numerous
the
times,
all
चार-
three of the
let me-
चार
no,
golden boots
and
हुए
let
हैं.
me- let me
for
tell you
Barca,
s-
'cause
let
all
me-
three of Barca's forwards that season scored 30 goals.
हाँ.
Bro, काफी
Let me tell you
बहुत
something
crazy,
about the type of striker he is. He even said in his video.
Who are you talking about?
Henry. He said, like, I'm not saying he's Ronaldo.
No.
I'm
Just
I'm
for
that-
context.
He-
there.
He's second
there,
इसकी
yeah.
list में भी, I agree with that.
He said that it's not enough being a good striker and scoring goals. You have to bring something that changes the game, that elevates the position, and he by far did that more than any other striker in the Premier League.
20
Yeah,
assists in a
with
season,
Bro,
अभी तक
everything he
record
did
है.
was classy,
Yeah, he was
man.
very good.
Everything he did was classy.
He was very good, but I don't think he was.
Bro,
I think
उसका-
so.
उसका-
He was better than Lewandowski, Ibrahimovic, and Raul.
No, bro. What are you doing? What are you
And
doing?
Eto'o.
Evaluated how long they've played and.
How long has he played, भाई?
Dude, there's
He's
very
won everything.
There's very
He's
few
won-
players.
He's won.
Five,
Egman,
six
Henry has
seasons
won everything.
Yeah, he's even
Invincible season,
एक से 5-6
treble,
seasons
World
for
Cup.
Arsenal, उसके अलावा बारसा का तुम 3
चाहते
साल
क्या
का
हो? चाहते क्या हो?
अगर तुम trophies के ऊपर evaluate करो and you just take
Trophies
major
and
trophies.
prolific goal scoring
Did you have
and
to-
longevity.
did you have Rooney ahead of Henry?
नहीं
अच्छा, और कौन था वैसे Premier League striker ahead of him?
I don't think.
नहीं
नहीं है
So,
कोई.
Waleed,
No,
I-
no,
He
I'm just saying generally-
had
No, the thing is-
Lewandowski, अब करो ना उसको ठीक है.
Bro, हाँ नहीं वो तो है, and on top of that, Henry का scene था four golden boots back to back.
Yeah.
Back to
नहीं,
back.
नहीं,
और साला
नहीं, एक बीच में
No,
Van
four-
Nistelrooy जीता था.
4 थे back to back. या 3 थे. No, Salah was gonna
2-1 और फिर
उसके बाद
four, no,
Henry
but
के assist
three-
भी देख लो
bro,
यार.
3
Henry
back to
is
back
a
has never been
monster.
done. 3 back to back has never
There are
been
very
done.
few players
besides-
that you just watch them play a game and you're like, this guy isn't like everybody else.
He's not number one.
He's number two, dude.
Ibrahimovic, Lewandowski ने उससे ज्यादा क्या किया?
I want to ask you guys
भाई
this.
यहाँ लोग हैं जिन्होंने रोनाल्डो को लिस्ट में ही नहीं डाला तो वो नहीं छठे के
वो
ऊपर
अगर
मार रहे
इधर
हैं।
होते तो उनको भी इसी तरह
हाँ,
रोलते
वो
हो.
नहीं उससे तो दोस्ती खत्म हो गई है. वो ग्रुप से बाहर निकाल.
उनको ग्रुप पे जाके रोलना सही, अभी भी रोलो, जो करना है करो उनके
But
साथ.
honestly, Mani and like you know
ओए
how
पाकिस्तान
Mani
ना
is
वापस
giving-
आई बक.
Mani तो
बहराम, मैं तुझे बता रहा हूँ
Mani
पाकिस्तान.
lecture देता है कि पता नहीं क्या देखते हो तुम whatever. भाई तुम मतलब anything you say from this moment is completely discredited.
Between the two of you, since both of you picked him there, why Henry 1 and Ronaldo 2?
Bro,
So
scene.
just
go
what
ahead,
separates
Sadi.
the two?
Go
Because we all
first.
agree.
Oh,
we both-
anyway, I can understand why Sadi picked him.
No, but let's see what you
Yeah, okay,
objectively
chalo.
think.
यार सबसे पहली बात तो I started watching football because of Henry. ठीक है ना? रोनाल्डो की वजह से नहीं मैंने देखी थी. और उसके बाद मैं आर्सेनल को सपोर्ट करता था. Things he's done for our club.
So are you saying you support Arsenal because of Henry then?
नहीं. आर्सेनल को मैंने सपोर्ट किया तो who was the main guy over there? Henry, right? पहला जो मैंने अपना फुटबॉल का मैच देखा था वो फ्रांस का देखा था और उसमें कौन था? Henry was the main guy. 2002 वर्ल्ड कप में मैंने पहला मैच देखा था. रोनाल्डो उसी वर्ल्ड कप में मुझे पता चला था कि कौन है. So Henry for me is king. उससे आगे
ठीक
मेरे
है, I
लिए कोई
feel
भी नहीं.
you've made a decent point there.
और
Why?
For me, Henry, why is first is because, yeah, personally, like preference-wise, I've looked up to, since I play football or something, I've looked up to like 5 strikers because I started as a left back. It was very personal for me. Now, like playing wise.
Started as a left back and I looked at strikers.
Bro, वही ना, with you guys, like I started playing at a young age with you guys. तुम लोग तो defender फेंक देते, आहिस्ता I emerged. खैर, anyways.
He's had a really rough journey.
Every kid's dream.
From
bro,
the bench to
bro,
left
bro,
back,
every-
and then he made his way to striker. Waleed's
Bro,
story is
the thing is
inspirational.
कि every kid's dream like is just like, you know, main forward and सब कुछ. मेरे लिए 5 forwards थे जो मेरे personal favorites थे, and Henry was one of the 5 forwards.
Who were the other 4?
Huh?
Who were the other 4?
There's Torres, Ibrahimovic, Eto'o, and कितने हो गए? 4 हो गए, and Henry ना 5. So 5 and these 5 and why? Because
Ronaldo isn't even on
game
your
wisely
list.
you try to project your Ronaldo makes it 5 okay. But वही scene है कि यार it basically you just project yourself कि I want to be whatever he brings I want to do that and be that. तो इसलिए personal preference पे like even though R9 को I see him watch him I like it's a greatness वो तो कोई deny नहीं कर सकता. But it's just that Henry वाला एक class है यार.
I can understand just about the second place and like the first whatever. Obviously, I think Ronaldo takes it easily, but I
Easily
understand
तो
this.
मैं नहीं कहूँगा लेकिन
No, I think he takes it easily.
मतलब I wouldn't mind.
He's
I wouldn't mind.
He's on the 2020
I
जो
would-
में Ballon d'Or ने all time greatest list.
Ballon d'Or की बात ना करो.
चलो जो भी है लिस्ट तो उन्होंने एक रिलीज
हाँ,
किया है
वो
ना,
माइकल
but
ओवन
the
पावेल नेडवेड भी जीते हुए
Henry
उन्होंने
is an incredible.
the all time 11 they made. So
On-
all-time
उसकी
11
बात ना करो.
मैं बात करूँ ही ना फिर.
यार जो बोल
Henry is an incredible
Nah,
player, but
bro.
Ronaldo is a once in a generation player who establishes a sport over that transcends
Bro, in a
boundaries.
way, bro,
People play the sport because of players like this. People
Bro, but I
love
told
sport
you-
because of players
bro,
like this.
bro.
No, I'm just giving you my argument
Bakr,
about it.
Bakr, मैंने अभी
And
तुम्हें
that's
बताया,
why.
Bakr, literally
And then he has the stats to back it up. He has the grandeur to back it up. Where he goes, he commands rooms. He's a
तुम बड़ा मिले हो.
he's a
You don't know him personally, bro.
he's a larger than life person.
वो
Bro,
म-
the thing-
And
वो
those kind of players.
Bro, listen.
वो मगरिब को जानता है.
Bro, ये larger than life वाला scene मतलब थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
He is larger than life,
Bro,
man.
the Henry का जो तुम अगर vibe ये check करो ना, bro, vibe वाला.
Listen.
नहीं, vibe-
Let me tell you something.
Bro,
let me
ये
tell-
vibe वाली बात तो
let me
कर
give
रहे
you
हैं
a simple example, okay? Henry was overshadowed by Zidane in the French team,
definitely
and Ronaldo was not overshadowed by Zidane in Real Madrid.
Zidane था वो भाई.
Yeah, but Zidane भी Ronaldo को overshadow नहीं कर सकता था. Ronaldo held his own there because he was an equally galactic figure.
Bro, the thing with यार
That shows you the power of the man.
बकर पावर वो सब वो तो ठीक है मैं कह रहा हूँ लेकिन तुम कह रहे थे अभी कि वो जनरेशनल सीन नहीं होता या वो बट ऑनरी भी जनरेशनल देख रहे
नहीं, मैं Henry को deny नहीं कर रहा. मैं तुम्हें एक बंदे की पुल पावर दिखा रहा हूँ कि ये
ब्रो पुल पावर ही मैं कह रहा हूँ ऑनरी की भी देखो लिटरली
उसकी कम नहीं है. मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ कंपैरिजन करके दिखा रहा हूँ. मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ कंपेयर करके दिखा रहा हूँ कि जब एक ही टीम में प्लेयर्स थे and who everybody looked towards. There's a reason why I think Ronaldo is on a different
वो
planet.
कौन सा फाइनल था वो आर्सेनल का मैड्रिड के साथ फाइनल था सेमीफाइनल था where उसमें भी
quarter final.
जिडान था ऑनरी
Zidane था,
रोनाल्डो था
Henry ने
and
सबको
what happened
overshadow
bro
कर दिया
listen
था, मतलब-
what happened that night bro Thierry
I'm
Henry
not talking
dribbled
about
past the
a
whole
player to player comparison.
Bro, I'm just saying कि you can't say कि एक बंदे का वो overshadow वाला सीन नहीं होता
I'm
bro
giving you my opinion, Walid. It's an opinion.
उस मैच में रोनाल्डो भी था. उसने
सब
कुछ
थे
नहीं
ब्रो
किया.
जिडान भी था
हाँ
उस
सारे
मैच में
गैलेक्टिकोस थी. Anyways मैं अभी भी ये बता दूं अगर even if Behram and Mani had him at first या second उसने फिर भी नहीं आना था first.
हैं बाकी कितना पीछे
क्योंकि शेरी के का तो first वो आना ही नहीं था.
धांधली होनी है धांधली.
ये आर्सेनल फैंस भी ज्यादा हो गए
दो फैंस है आर्सेनल के भाई.
हमारा पता मसला ये कि
एक second.
despite
Arsenal
all
fan-
our efforts Fernando Torres did not make the list you had him too जब come on bro थोड़ी सी दांडी
I wanted him
यार देखो मेरी बात सुनो. दो आर्सेनल फैंस है दो लिवरपूल फैंस है. तो ये नहीं कह सकते हो
या
तुम.
असल में हमारा पास्ट काफी अच्छा
Can we
रहा ना
can we
ये जो
we
सारा
got
स्केल
spoiled,
टिप होता है ना ये चेल्सी फैंस की वजह से होता है. चार चेल्सी
When you
फैंस.
take the entire French team that year to France on the streets, people run towards Zidane. You take the entire Brazilian team, and they'll be like, "This one
Ronaldinho.
person." It's Ronaldo.
Ronaldinho.
It's always
Ronaldinho.
Ronaldo. No matter what Ronaldinho was, he was not
Ronaldinho was
Ronaldo.
when Ronaldo
और नहीं
was in his
2002 वर्ल्ड कप वाली टीम उस टाइम की बात कर रहे हो तुम.
जब दोनों
अभी
एक
की
ही
बात
टीम में थे, जब टीम साथ थी.
टाइम कौन सा है? अगर अभी टाइम की बात करोगे रोनाल्डिनियो की तरफ जाएंगे.
I don't think so.
शर्त
prime.
लगा.
Ronaldinho
Dude,
was
नहीं.
like just popping up when Ronaldo
तुम Ronaldinho, Ronaldo साथ खड़े कर दो, लोग Ronaldinho को नहीं पूछेंगे.
पूछेंगे
Ronaldo
क्यों?
is
I mean
ये
look
थोड़ा ज्यादा
एक
खींच
मिनट
रहे हो.
like he is football
Ronaldinho is
Ronaldo
football.
is football.
यार
Ronaldinho is football for.
मेरी बात सुनो.
I'd like एक minute. I'd like to back up Bakr saying like you saw Henry for the first time. I saw Ronaldo for the first time. PTV के ऊपर 2002 World Cup, and there was nothing bigger than him. No one else. There was Zidane भी खेल रहा था. They'd already won the World Cup. Henry was also there. But the pull, as you say, yeah, it was just
It's
different
magnetic.
level.
It was because of
That
his
haircut
haircut.
was everything.
It was because of his haircut. सिर्फ haircut की वजह से.
I think the only thing that maybe held Ronaldo back was his injuries. Not that anything held
obviously,
him
obviously.
back. But if it weren't for the injuries, this would be
He-
like a no contest.
Nothing held him back. He wasn't held
I
back.
agree to
In
that.
fact,
I agree to that.
with the injuries, it's
Yeah.
amazing that he is. Look, regarding this pull, अब magnets की तो बात नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन ये जो players की बात करें, Ronaldinho definitely look. He had more popularity all over the world. He was known for that the entertainment factor with football.
glitz, the glamour,
Like if
the
Beckham-
grandeur जो तुम बात करते हो that
Beckham,
was
like, there are a
Ronaldinho.
few players who we can look at like and say that they made the sport or like the thought of the sport popular. Beckham was one of them, you know, in the terms of like, oh, there's a lot of attraction towards the sport. But Ronaldinho was one of those players who's like, you know, acha, if I watch this guy, I'm going to get into football because he had that being said, Ronaldo definitely had in his time when they were at the same time together, Ronaldo definitely had more pull, as you say, than Ronaldinho at that time.
At that time, definitely.
Yeah, but Ronaldinho
No, but
had
there's no
like,
saying that
all-
Henry का भी ये
all
नहीं था,
time-
because I just told I
exactly,
just
and
gave an
that's
example.
and that's why I'm saying I haven't finished. That's why I'm saying Henri का भी ये था, like especially in England, Spain, and in fact for the football fans who came at a much later stage after the Ronaldo era, like 2002, people who started watching in like 2008, 2010. Henri was there, like he was everything to them. So
Or Ronaldinho bhi.
Ronaldinho.
Yeah,
So
for Brazilians.
look, I'm happy with the 1-2 thing. Perfect for me. Ronaldo tops.
But
every
for
list of
Brazilians,
strikers.
Ronaldo is ranked above Ronaldinho.
For me, Ronaldo-
because of what because for what he did for the country and the World
Exactly.
Cups and everything. In the
And he's a
success
great
that he-
poker player. Don't forget, he's good at poker too. Watch Ronaldo play online. He knows his shit.
तुम खेलते हो उसके साथ किस तरह होता है?
Can
How do you know so much personal information about the guy?
Ronaldo is
पैसे क्या
everywhere.
खाता है?
Ronaldo ने उसको पैसे दिए कि उसको ऊपर
तुम क्या किए जा रहे हो उनकी आवाज ही नहीं आनी
अरे खत्म कर दो वीडियो
तुम क्या कह रहे हो
मैं कह रहा था कि can we look at some of the players who didn't make the list who were on our list?
Fernando
Because I'm thinking
Torres.
about one player who's my Johnny, who's why.
Del Piero?
Yes.
Del Piero.
should have been on the
I
list, bro.
put him
He
on
should
the
have been
list.
on.
Mustafa had him 10th, Hugh had him 3rd, और Mani had him 8th. बस Shevchenko के 36 points थे, just missed out 38 भी
I'm
आगे
sorry,
थे
Shah.
number
If
10
you're
पे।
watching this, I'm sorry.
सबसे जो funny pick थी वो थी एम्बापे
Who picked that?
बेराम
यार मेरा
I'm gonna throw
कभी
up.
पाकिस्तान नहीं मैं तुझे बता रहा हूँ.
नहीं एक्चुअली वैसे शेरी की भी एक funny pick थी एड्रियानो
Who?
Adriano?
वो
At
wrestlers?
6?
Yeah, I'm just gonna make you
ये तू कहता है
Wrestler.
लेकिन Adriano was a baller.
Adriano was a baller for sure, but he was a wrestler as well. He doesn't
For
come
like
on that.
3 years he was a baller. If you played pro, you
John
know
had
he
a
was
lot
the guy.
of
99 shot
Off
power.
the pitch, he
Off
had
the
a
pitch
lot
troubles,
of
that's
issues.
something with-
And
अच्छा
that's
एड्रियानो की हम क्यों बात कर रहे हैं अब खत्म करें वीडियो
on.
वैन निस्telrooy 9th पे डाला
Nestor didn't make the list.
You had him, he had him, and Zacko had
यार
him.
ये तो ज्यादा ही यार तुम लोग फिर कह रहे हो कि लेवा को 5th करो यार वैन निस्telrooy से भी ऊपर है लेवा
You think
Come on.
Van Nistelrooy?
वैन निस्telrooy is better than लेवा and
Okay, इसी बात पे मैं खत्म कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि this is a ridiculous claim. Like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.